This video is for students that need assistance with answering problems that have redo questions in assessments. Teachers are welcome to share this with students as well as parents or guardians. In this video, I'm going to show you what to expect when getting a redo problem. You will see an example of what a redo problem looks like, understand the different symbols for redo, and view the student report. When practicing math, we all get problems wrong sometimes. Redo is a feature that gives you a second chance at a similar problem because learning from our mistakes is how we grow in math, and we love that. When answering a question with redo enabled, you will solve the problem to the best of your ability. Once you enter the correct answer and move on to the next problem, you will now see a redo problem with the following symbol. After selecting the redo problem, you will see the following prompt. This is a reminder that you can go back to the previous problem and view the hints if you'd like. As a note, you will still have access to the Get Help button during a redo problem if you still need additional support. When you finish the assignment, you will see both your scores or symbols of success on your assignment report. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for tuning in and best of luck.